Hello everyone, welcome to the class of Standard 5. Today we will study Mathematics chapter number 3, How many squares. Before we starting this chapter, let us understand area and perimeter. Let us understand what is area. Area, the measure of the amount of surface covered by a closed figure, is known as the area of a figure. The units of area are square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer. As for example, we want to find out the area of this closed figure, and the measure of this each small square is 1 centimeter. So first we have to measure the amount of surface, this amount of surface covered by this figure. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So area of this square is 9 square centimeter. Let us understand what is perimeter. The sum of measure of all the sides of any closed figure is called the perimeter of the figure. The units of perimeter are centimeter, meter, kilometer. Length of the boundary is called perimeter. So here we can understand that is sum of the side of any closed figure is called its perimeter. Let us understand this by this example. Suppose we want to find out the perimeter of this closed figure, and measurement of this each one's square is 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the measure of this all the side is equal to 12 centimeter. So perimeter of this closed figure is 12 centimeter. Let us understand some formula to find out the area of square and the perimeter of square. Here are given some examples. These are some examples. The formula of area is equal to side into side, this side into side. Here side is equal to 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter is equal to 9 square centimeter is the area of this square. Now let us find out perimeter. The formula of perimeter is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side. So here 4, from formula we are taking 4, and sides, the measurement of a side is 3 centimeter. So 4 into 3 centimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. So perimeter of this square is 12 centimeter. Now let us learn how to find out the area and perimeter of rectangle by formula. So formula to find out the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length is 3 centimeter here, this is length, and breadth is 2 centimeter. So 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter is equal to 6 square centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangle. And now we find out the perimeter of this rectangle. Formula is perimeter is equal to 2 in the brackets length plus breadth. So is equal to 2. Here length is 3 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. So 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. So here first add this both number 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. So here we got 5 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter. Here 2 is outside of this bracket, that means we should multiply with 2. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 centimeter. 2 5s are 10. Or other method is perimeter is equal to sum of sides. We can add all the sides of this rectangle to find out perimeter. So 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. So here by both the way we are getting 10 centimeter. As a part of your homework, write this both definition of area and perimeter and examples and also formula in your maths notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.